Obviously we're an island and an island community. Stuff on Arran, it was really difficult terrain and it's like kind of really fragile soils on the tops of the mountains.
We've got 300 odd kilometres in our care, over 31 kilometres on this island alone. And it's constantly needing addressed.
Getting people involved in the mountains is really important as well. Especially in modern life, to actually get out and be immersed in that landscape and really feel you're putting something back into the environment. I think people really get a kick out of doing that.
It's fundamental. The European funding that we got, it's always been quite sporadic. Somebody's got some money to do something and they've done that and then it goes away. So we took on a kind of more long-term approach. So to be able to tackle these all at once in a 4-year period, that allows us to kind of get to a good standard where we're not sort of constantly chasing our tail. So it's not just the ones that are shouting the most, it's the bits that really need fixed the most. And that allows me to price the work, prioritise it, plan it.
We went from quite eroded paths and big wide scars on the mountains, and now we've got these beautiful narrow small mountain paths so that they can go and experience it and see what the mountains are all about without actually causing erosion damage.
Yeah, I'd say it was very successful. The project, it wouldn't have happened. That's long and short of it. We couldn't have done it without the funding.